Okay, then I will share. Okay, someone on the mic can see the textbook?
Can.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now, okay, so this is today what we're going to learn. Okay, find the area of sector of a circle. Okay, so what is sector? Still remember that day? Okay, always you will get confused with sector and segment. Okay, so remember sector is the piece of pizza. Okay, you see here also they use a pizza. Okay, so I recall a little bit. Okay, wait for a while. I have to choose the pen. Okay, so if this is a circle, okay, this is a center. Okay, then area is this. Okay, so this is sector. Okay, area of sector. Okay, so today what we're going to learn is this. Okay, if segment will be like this, a circle. Okay, then you have a chord. Okay, then yeah, this is segment. Okay, so make sure you know what is sector and what is segment. Okay, so please write today index. Okay, this one area of a sector of a segment as a today index. Okay, I go down. Actually, this one you have learned during your lower form. Okay, you see the area of the circle. Okay, can I call someone? Vanessa.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the formula? Area of circle.
Pi r square.
Pi r square, very good. Okay, pi r square. Okay, if I want, oh, but I cannot see the whole picture. Okay, forget about it. Okay, so pi r square. Okay, area of circle is pi r square. Okay, then if okay, area of sector, okay, means part of the circle. Okay, so it depends on this, how big the angle. Okay, then divide by the total angle of the full circle. Okay, what is the total angle of the full circle in degree? Siranya? Siranya got mine or not?
360.
Yeah. Louder?
360.
Okay, 360. Okay, divide by the 360 degree. Okay, this is what you learn during lower form. Okay, so this angle, the theta is in degree and then the over 360 degree. Okay, let's say now we change, okay, in radian form. Okay, 360 degree, okay, change into radian form. Okay, so can I call Teo Jingzi here? Teo Jingzi. Huh? Hello? Hello? Jingzi?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, okay. Done. Okay, 360 degree change into radian form. Equivalent to
2 pi.
2 pi. Okay, very good. So, this one is 2 pi. Okay, therefore, next you see here, this pi I cut. Okay, therefore, okay, the balance will be, this is 1 over 2, okay, then r squared, and then theta. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, then this theta is in radian form already. This is the formula for area of sector. Okay, I write here, area of sector. Okay, so it seems like that day, you know, from the lower form what we learned, and then you just change the degree, okay, into a radian form. Okay, then your formula will change into in radian form. Okay. See, so this is the formula. Okay, next we straight away go to the example. Okay, we go to one by one for the example. Okay, find the area of the sector A for each sector MON. Okay, with center O. Okay, use pi as 3.142. Always, whatever they give here, you please highlight so that when you do the questions, you don't use others pi. Okay, you use pi as 3.142. Okay, so we just use a formula, half r square theta. Okay, r is the radius. So look at A. The radius is given here is 12. So you put here 12. Okay, the theta must is in radian. So you look at A, this one is in radian. Okay, very good. You don't need to do the conversion. So just plug in 1.7. Okay, so you just press calculator, you will get this answer. Okay, now we go to B. Okay, same thing. Half r square theta. Okay, for the B, the r here, the radius is 8. So put here 8. Okay, the theta, just check the angle here whether it's in radian form. Yes. Okay, so you just plug in 2.2. Okay, then just press your calculator, you will get the answer. Okay, you see all the answers are 4 significant figures. Okay, now we go to the next one. Okay, look at C. Okay, C a little bit difficult compared to A and the B. Okay, they want this. They want this piece. Okay, the area of this major sector. Okay, the bigger one. Therefore, the angle that you have to use is here. Don't use the 1 to 4. Okay, how to get this angle? How to get this angle? Okay, just use 360 minus 124. Okay, now you see 360 minus 124. After that, do the conversion into radian form. So by times pi divide by 180. Okay, remember your pi as 3.142. Okay, then you will get in radian form is 4.12 radian. Okay, now you can use the angle already. Okay, same formula. Okay, half r squared theta. Okay, the r here is 10. R here is 10. Okay, 10 as radius. Okay, and then the theta here, what as your calculations here is 4.12. So you plug in 4.12. Then you press calculator, then you will get the answer. Okay. So far, any questions? I have 23 here. Means I missed one girl here. Sonia Sri, am I right? She's not here. Can someone tell me what happened to her? Anyone know what is the situations about this girl?
Maybe her line low, teacher.
Who? Megasri, you are a good friend of her?
No.
Who is a good friend? Megasri. Megasri, who is her good friend?
I'm not sure, teacher. Maybe Ravanya.
Ravania.
I think so.
Ravania, what happened to your good friend Sonia Sri? If you all don't want to say here, you personal WhatsApp to me, tell me, You know, she attend other teachers' class. but she never attend my class. This is my third class with you. If please, I saw her name already. Okay, very good. Sonia 3, welcome to the group. 26, or because Chong is here. Okay, so minus Chong minus me 24. Okay, all here already. Finally, I see you. Okay, Sonia 3. Okay, very good. Okay, so I continue my lesson. I guess there's no questions from you. Okay, I better check. Okay, nothing. So I come back here. Okay, so this is the first part. Okay, still easy. Okay, now we solve a problem here. Okay, this is example 8. Okay, actually you can I think most of you have got your textbook. I mean the physical textbook, the hard copy textbook. Okay, if you want, you are fast enough, you can write in pencil write lightly inside your textbook, whatever you want to write, so that afterwards you can write inside your notebooks. Okay, so as usual, inside your notebook you should have where am I? Sorry. You should have how to get the formula. Okay, this thing. How to get, from the lower form formula, how you get the half r square theta. Okay, this one you should have. The rest, I think, okay. I don't think you want to copy the example unless, you think that one is as a reminder for you before you go for your exam, you want to read that example again, you may copy it. Okay, any of the example here. Okay, now we look at example 8. The diagram on the right shows a sector POQ, okay, which sustains an angle of theta radian and has a radius of r. Given that the area of sector POQ is 35 centimeters squared. Okay, find the area of r if if the theta is 0.7 radian. Okay, so now just now is you have to find the area. Now area is given. Okay, so they want to ask what is the radius for the A, and then for the B they want to ask what is the theta. Okay, so for the A, when they want to ask for the radius, the r, then they will give the theta. Okay, so you just plug in. Okay, area of sector 35. So what is the formula? Area of sector half r square theta. Okay, so half is half r square. R is the one you want to find. Just write back r square. Theta for the part A, the theta is 0.7. So just write 0.7. Okay, so 0.7 go to that side will become denominator. Okay, the 2 here, the denominator, go to this side will become, okay, numerator. Okay, so you just press calculator, you get 100. Remember, this is r square. So your r, okay, square root of 100, you get 10. Okay, here you don't have to write the plus minus, is because radius is always positive. Okay, it's understood. So you don't have to write the plus minus here. No need. Okay, now we go to B. Okay, B, they still are using the area of sector is 35, but now they give you the radius as 11, asking for theta. Okay, so you just plug in radius, which is the r as 11, okay, and then find the theta. Okay, so here 11 squared is 121, same thing. Okay, 121 as numerator, go this side, become denominator. The 2 as denominator, go the other side, become numerator. Okay, then you just press calculator, you will get your answer. Remember, your answer is in radian. Okay, because this formula is in radian, the theta. Okay, if they mention in the question, okay, find the value of theta in degree. Okay, if you are using this formula, so remember your radian got to change to degree. If they didn't mention in the question, so just leave it, okay, in radian. Okay, so we go to next. Okay, so this one will be your today homework. Okay, go down. Okay, now we come to segment. Okay, just now is sector, now we come to segment. Okay, so still remember the shape of the segment. Okay, this is a circle. Okay, then you have a chord. Okay, minor segment. Okay, so this is segment. Okay, now how to find the area of segment? Okay, we go down. We straight away look at this example. Okay, you look at the shaded, the green color parts. Both of the questions are segment. Okay, for each of the following given sector POQ with center O, find the area of segment PRQ in centimeter square. Okay, use pi as 3.142. Okay, so remember, okay. Okay, so highlight this. Okay, pi as 3.142. Okay, let us look at the first example. So how you want to find the area of segment is by using, okay, the area of sector minus the white color one, okay, the area of triangle. Okay, so you see, area of sector. Okay, the blue color one. Okay, minus this one, the area of triangle. Okay, the blue color one minus the red color one, the area of triangle, then the balance will be the segment. Okay, so this is the idea. Okay, so area of sector, as you learned just now, okay, you use this formula. Okay, so half r square theta. Okay, but here, okay, these the conversions we don't care first. Okay, because the theta here is in radian. So 2.2 you plug in. Okay, the 6 as the radius you plug in. Okay, so we have settled area of the sector. Okay, now we want to find this area of triangle. Okay, this is what you have learned last year. Okay, this formula. Okay, this is the half AB sine C. Okay, any triangle. Okay, if here is a C, here will be the A and the B. The A and the B are the two lengths, and then C is the angle in degree. Okay, this angle must be in degree. That's why you need the conversion here. Okay, 2.2 radian. Okay, convert into degree. Okay, so you look at this triangle. Okay, so the angle is here. You must, if this is the angle, the two lengths must be the one at the side of this angle. Okay, I repeat. If this is the angle, okay, the angle C, then the length you got to choose must be the two length that at the side. Cannot choose the opposite one. Okay, so here is 6, and then here also is 6 because this is the radius. This is the radius of the circle, and then this is the radius of the circle. That's why both are 6. Okay, so you have a half times 6 times 6 and then times sine this angle 2.2 radian. Okay, change to degree. 126 degree 2 minutes. Okay, then you press calculator to get the answer. All this without changing the calculator mode into radian. Without okay, I didn't do any changes of the mode of the calculator, just usual, I mean the normal mode. Okay, just press. Okay, after that you just minus. Okay, area of sector minus area of triangle, then you will get the area of segment. Okay, so you see 39.60 minus 14.56, then you get the answer. Okay, this is the first method of you to find the area of the triangle. Okay, all together we'll have 3 methods here. Okay, we go down some more. Okay, we look at This is 6. Okay, this is the second method. We look at here the alternative method. This is the second method. Okay, second methods look more complicated lah, huh? Because they are sorry, they are finding the base and the height of the triangle. So they are using the half times base times height. Okay, this one is half times base times height. Okay, so PQ is the base here. Okay, this one, the PQ as the base of the triangle. Therefore, SOS is the height of the triangle. Okay, the base and the height. Okay, now the problem is how to find PQ. Okay, how to find PQ, the base. Okay, and then how to find the height. Okay, so we go through our step by step. Okay, for us to find the base, we cut the base into half first. Okay, so you see in the triangle POQ, okay, angle POS, this angle, okay, you also divide into half. Okay, the 126 to divide into half, so you have a 63° 1 minute. Okay, then we use a trigo. Okay, here is a right angle. Here is a right angle. So you have a right angle triangle. Okay, you use sine. Why use sine? Okay, because opposite. This is opposite. Tuakaso. Okay, opposite, and then this is hypotenuse. So, okay, so sine 63° equals to opposite, which is PS, this length, over hypotenuse, which is 6. Okay, so you get the PS as this. So the PQ is a double of the PS, so times 2. Then this is a PQ. Okay, now we see OS. How we get OS? You can use trigo as well. Okay, if you don't want to use trigo, since you have this length already, okay, PS, you have this length already, you can use hypotenuse. Pythagoras Theorem. Okay, so square root. Okay, the hypotenuse 6 square minus, okay, the other length 5.33468. Okay, square. Then you get the answer for OS. OS is the height of the triangle. Okay, so you plug in the PQ, plug in the OS as the base and the height, then you will get the area of a triangle, same as this. Okay, this is second method. Okay, actually from here, okay, they have come up with a formula that you can memorize. If you don't want to use, this half AB sin C, you don't want to use this method of finding the base and the height, you can straight away memorize a formula. If you are the type of like to memorize a formula, okay. Okay, this is one shot. So I write on the top here. Okay, formula for finding area of segment. Okay. Okay, this is bracket. Okay, so you see the first part is half r square theta. This is the area of sector. Then the second part, half r square minus sine theta. This is the area of a triangle. Actually, the second part, the half r square sine theta is from the second method. But I cannot derive for you too detailed because you haven't learned trigo yet. It involves a knowledge from the trigonometry, which is your chapter 6, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so remember, if you want to memorize this formula, you can. Okay, then, but please bear in mind, the first radius, the first theta here must be in radian, and then this one must be in degree. Same like that day. Okay. Okay, now we come to the third method. Okay, so go to B. okay, be this example. Okay, they give you here is 4 centimeter, okay, 3.5 centimeter. Oh, they didn't give you this angle. They didn't give you this angle. Oh, this question is complicated. Okay, they didn't give you this angle. So how you want to find this angle? Okay, we look at the solutions. Okay, same thing. Okay, cut this triangle into half. Okay, so just now that 4 will become 2 and 2 here. 2 and 2. Then you have a right angle here. Okay, so 3.5 as the radius of the circle. 3.5 here. So here is 2. Okay, therefore you can find this angle. Okay, by using your trigo. Okay, so sine this angle is equal to, this one is opposite, so it's 2. This one is the hypotenuse, so 2 over 3.5. Okay, so so. Okay, then from here you press calculator, shift sign, and then this, then you will get 34 degree 51 minutes. Okay, so now we get the angle, but this angle is, pay attention, this angle is only half of this whole thing. Therefore, after you need to times 2. Okay, we turn to next page. Okay, see around, you got to times 2. Okay, and then you know that for area of sector, okay, half r square theta, this theta you have to be in radian. Okay, so change the angle in degree into radian. Okay, so you will get this. Remember, the pi given in the question is 3.142. Okay, so now you just plug in the r as radius 3.5 squared. Theta is 1.217 as here. Okay, after the conversions in radian. Okay, then you get the answer. Okay, now another method for you to find area of a triangle. If you still remember. Okay, this is the third method already. Third method. Okay, area of triangle. Okay, so S minus A, S minus B, and then S minus C. Okay, you have learned before. Okay, what is the S? S is the semi-perimeter. Okay, how to get the semi-perimeter? Okay, so you just get the A, B, and the C. Okay, that 3 length. A, B, and the C. Okay, that 3 length. So inside the diagram, the A is the radius, and then here again another radius, and then 4 is, sorry, the C as given as 4. Okay, and then this angle is the 1.217 radian. Okay, so 3.5 plus 3.5 plus 4. Okay, then divide by 2. That one will be the semi-perimeter, which is 5.5. And then just put in here. Okay, 5.5. Okay, then 5.5 minus 3.5. And then minus 3.5 minus 4. Okay, just press calculator, you get 5.745. Last step. Okay, area of sector, this one, 7.454 minus area of triangle, this one, then you get the answer. Okay, so you see, out of these 3 methods plus the let's say you want to memorize the formula, 4 methods, you just choose one and then stick with it. But not necessarily example, okay, these questions is easier that you use this. Not necessary also. I can use the first method also. So it's still up to you Okay, maybe you can just stick with one method. Okay, let me listen to you. Okay, which method you will choose? Vision? Vision.
Yes.
Which method you will choose?
Both also okay for me.
Huh?
Both also okay for me.
But you better stick with one. No, you don't. I'm not sure. Okay. How about Lydia? Lydia. Lydia.
Yes.
Which method you use to find the area of a triangle?
Um,
Huh? I cannot hear you. Lydia?
he also got used.
Three also you got used
Mm.
Okay. If for me, I will find if you are using the half times the base times the height, is too many steps already. Okay. I'm not very sure whether you will prefer to memorize that formula or not. Okay. Maybe you know the half AB sine C. I will see is the common one Okay. So we go through a few more examples. One more example. One more example, two more example, one and two. Okay. Now, okay, we come back here. Okay, so this 1.6 as your homework as well. I don't know whether I should continue or not. If I continue means you have one and then two. Two more exercise to do. That two more exercise will be have six questions, six more questions. Come give me opinion. I should speed up or I have to slow down. Kritika. Is Kritika here?
Yes.
How? Am I too fast?
No, okay only.
Okay, Oni.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's nice. Okay, can I go through two more example?
Can.
Okay, since we have time. Okay, I don't want to waste your times. Okay. You turn to next page. Okay, page 17 of your textbook. Okay, now all the formula you have learned. Okay, now is the problem is apply the formula. Okay, so solve problem involving area of a sector. Okay, look at these questions. Okay, I want to use the space up here to write. Okay. Okay, the diagram on the right show a paper fan fully spread out. Okay, the region P, Q, and M is covered by paper. P, Q, and N. Okay. Given that OP is 15. Okay. OM MP is 2 is to 3. If this one you don't know, then very difficult already. This part. Okay. So I write here OM MP 2 is to 3. Okay. O to M, M to P. This is 2 parts and this is 3 parts. Okay. They give you OP. The whole thing is 15. Okay. So 2 parts plus 3 parts altogether is 5 parts. So 15 divided by 5. Okay. So 1 part is equivalent to 3. Therefore, 3 times 2. This is 2 parts Okay. So 3 times 2. Okay, therefore this is 6. Okay, 3 times 3, this is 3 part. So this is 9. Therefore 9 plus 6 is 15. Okay, so this is the first part. Okay, angle POQ, okay, given in the diagram, 120 degrees. Okay, calculate the area covered by the paper in centimeter square. Area covered by paper. Okay, mean this part. Oh, red and red now, cannot see. Okay, wait now. Purple? Can see now. Okay, very good. Purple means here. This part, this is a paper. Okay, so you see, I'm going to do is here. This is a sector shape of pizza. Okay, this bigger one, the purple color one. Okay, the radius I'm going to use is 9 and 6, 15. Okay, change to another color. Maybe blue. Okay, I'm going to minus. Okay, this part I'm going to minus here. Okay, this is another sector. Okay, another piece of pizza. Okay, both are same angle, 120 degrees, the angle subtended here. But here, this radius I'm going to use is 6. See or not? Here to here. This is 6. Okay, so don't make mistake on your radius. Okay, both the angle are 120 degree. Okay, so you need you know you need the 120 degree in a radian. Okay, so pi over 180. Check and see they give pi or not. Okay, they didn't give pi. You can use 3.142. You can use the pi from the calculator. Okay, anything. Okay, get ready your calculator. Oh, I don't have calculator. Oh. Okay, as in your textbook okay, they use the pi as 3.142, therefore they get the radian as 2.0947 radian. Ayo, 2, this is 2. Okay, so very simple. Okay, the big sector minus the small sector, then is your answer. Okay, so half. The big one is 15 for the radius. Our square theta. Okay, the theta is 2.0947. Okay, minus half. Okay, for a smaller sector, the radius is 6. The blue color one. Okay, then same angle. This is 2. Sorry. Okay, you can use a calculator and calculate. Okay, if I follow the textbook answer is 197.95. Okay, it's very simple, not that complicated. It just you have to understand the questions, okay, and then recognize the shape. Okay, both are sector. Okay, the big sector minus the small sector, and then you must know how to read the ratio. Okay, then analyze. Okay, and then get the big sector, the radius as 15. The small sector, the area, the radius is 6. Then you can settle the problem. Okay, then we'll have another one for you. Another exercise. Here we'll have 4 questions. Okay, tomorrow I'll see you, but you don't worry. Always the Monday homework I will need you to hand in Wednesday, 8 o'clock. We follow this style. We follow this pattern. Okay. Then one more questions to go. This is a tunnel. Okay. Okay, the formative exercise 1.3, we leave it first. We don't do, okay? So we straight away go to this. Okay, this is the last part of this chapter already. Before I continue, any of you go for tuitions? Hema, go for tuition?
Not yet.
Not yet lah. Oh, Shahira? Shahira go for tuition? Oh, Shahira. Janelle go for tuition or not, Janelle? No, PKP. Oh, but your online tuition don't have ah? No. Janelle go for tuition?
Not at the moment.
Oh, anyone has start your tuition? Okay, maybe you know online tuition. No one ah? Okay, Kritika. Yes, okay,
Yes.
Sonia. Oh yeah, okay. So where is your tuition now? Finish
Online.
chapter 1? Huh? No, I mean how fast your teacher teach?
Halfway.
Which topic? Hmm?
Going to finish chapter 1 already.
Oh, so same as
Yeah,
mine.
same speed as you.
Okay, so Sonia Sri say chapter 1, 1.3. 1.3 also almost finished already actually. Okay. So, but chapter 2 is difficult, especially beginning of the chapter. I'm thinking, I don't know whether I want to skip the first principle or not. After we blah 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 finish everything, and then we can only come back to first principle. I can tell you actually from 5 topics is compared to from 4 topics from 5 topics is, because of calculus the theory parts is very abstract means you can't see, you don't know what is that. Okay, all this is calculus. Okay, then you will see like differentiations, integrations, after that trigo, all are very difficult topics. And then your property, the permutations, combinations, the question also can go very crazy. Okay, so from 5 topic is tough. It's tough. Okay. So I want to continue one more example. Okay, we come back here. So I'm finished chapter 1 already. Okay, for these applications, I think rainbow got no problem the rainbow. Okay, rainbow is depend on, maybe they want to find, they want you to determine the length of this arc. Okay, so this is arc length, okay. Then but this is tunnel. The second application is a tunnel. Okay, so we'll look at the example 11 afterwards. Is about this tunnel. Okay, how do we find the length, arc length, and the area of this cross section tunnel? Okay, so now we're going to apply the arc length as equal to r theta, and then area of sector, okay, half r square theta. Okay, for you to solve this problem. Okay, we look at this. Okay, diagram on the right show a major segment ABC. Can see a segment. Okay, I highlight it. Okay, I don't know whether sharp enough or not to use this color or not. Oh, someone smoked. My goodness. Okay, I use back this purple color. Okay, here. Okay, this one is minor segment, the smaller piece. So the other side. Okay, can see what I draw. Okay, here. This is major segment ABC. Okay. Of a circular train tunnel with a center O. This is a center O. Okay, radius 4 meter, and the angle AOC is 1.8 radian. Okay, use a pi as 3.142. Okay, show that AC is 6.266. AC is here. Okay, this length. First, they want you to get this length. Okay, how to get this length? Okay, you look at this triangle, concentrate on this triangle. Concentrate on this triangle. Okay, here is 1.8 radian. This is 4. This is another 4 because of radius. Okay, they want you to find this length. Okay, let's say I label as AC. Okay, so you see or not? 3 length and then 1 angle. Okay, what rules you can use?
Cosine.
Okay, very good, cosine. Okay, so but before you use your cosine rule, the 1.8 you got to change into degree. So 1.8 change into degree, radian. So radian 3.142 here and then 180 here. Okay, so change into degree 103 and then 7 minutes. Okay, so you use cosine rule. Okay, the x squared will be the subject. So x squared equals to 4 squared plus 4 squared minus 2 times 4 times 4, okay, times cos 103 and then 7 minutes. Okay, then remember to square root it, then you get the answer 6.266. Okay, this is the part A. Okay, this is the part A. Now we go to part B. Find the length of a major arc ABC in meter. Find the length of major arc. Major arc. Major arc ABC means here to here. Okay. So for you to find this major arc, you will need this angle. Okay. So just now you know the 1.8 radian is a 103 edema. But no, I don't want to use that. I don't want to use the one in degree. I want to use the one in radian because my formula is in radian. Okay, so the whole thing, the whole turn, 360 degree is how many radian? Ravanya? Is Ravanya here? Ravanya? Okay. I repeat my questions. Okay, the 360 degree in radian is how many radian? How? You know, Serene? Shireen Ong? Shireen Ong, correct. Can you help? 360 degree. You are going to use a 360 degree minus the 1.8 radian. How? Farah? Come on, help each other. Farah? Sophia? I try to call the name I seldom call. Yeah, someone answer. Yes?
Is it
Yes?
4.398?
Okay,
4.397?
how you get the 4.397?
360 minus the 108 degree. Then you take the number, you times with radian.
No. My question is, okay,
Yeah, that's what I get.
360,
Ah,
okay, in radian is how many radian?
2 pi.
2 pi, yeah, someone answer 2 pi, okay. 360 is 2 pi. Oh, okay, Siti Farah say 2 pi. Okay, very good. Okay, so now part B, okay, 2 pi. The pi is 3.142. Okay, minus 1.8. So your answer will be in radian. Okay, so this one you are getting 4.484. Okay, then you want to find the arc length. Okay, so arc length formula is r theta, s equal to r theta. So the r is what? R is 4 here. Okay, theta is 4.484. Okay, then answer. The answer is 17.94. Okay, not that difficult. Okay, now we come to part C. Okay, find the area of a cross section of the train tunnel. Okay, so remember, train tunnel or any tunnel, okay, the area of the cross section is this. The area of the cross section, this one. Area of the cross sections. Okay, this one is the what to say? The major segment. Okay, so for the major segment, what I'm going to do is, you know, the minor segment just now is we use sector minus triangle, but for the major segment, I'm going to use sector plus triangle. Okay, how? Okay, I use another color. I don't use red, can see or not. Okay, so the sector is here, the area of sector. This is the area of sector. Okay, plus. Okay, I use the other color, green and see. Okay, plus the triangle. Triangle. Then will become the major segment. Okay. So first, I want to find the area of sector for this using this angle. Just now I got already. This angle is 4.484 radian. Okay, so area of sector, half r squared theta. So half, the r is 4 squared, the theta is 4.484. Okay, so this is the first part. Okay, the answer is 35.87. Okay, second part, okay, the triangle. Okay, so maybe we use the half AB sine C lah, Okay, so half, okay, the A is here, this is 4, the B is here, this is another 4, and then this is the C. Okay, 1.8. So 4 and the 4 and then the sine. Okay, sorry, I cannot use the one in radian. So the 1.8, I check and see the 1.8 I convert into a degree now. Here, this one, I'm going to use this. So sine 103 and then 7 degree. Okay, so the answer is 7.791. Okay, so remember just now we find the minor segment, we minus. Okay, but now we find the major segment, we got to plus. Okay, so these two add up. These two add up. Okay, then the answer will be 43.66. Okay. So another exercise for you, 1.8. This is 2 questions. So today we have 1.8, 1.7, 1.6, 1.5. Okay, 4 exercises. Okay, altogether is 6 plus 3, 6 plus 6, 13 questions. Okay. If today you are free, you got no other homeworks, you quickly settle some of the questions. Okay. So finish time already, Okay, so housekeeping a little bit. Give me some time. Okay, Aksa, you didn't see the message maybe, okay? So you afterwards you have to do your corrections and hand again. And then Ravania, you didn't hand in your homework. So every time on and off check the message who had to hand in which questions. Okay, Monday homework, I will tell who and who have to hand in which questions. You have to hand in before Wednesday, the 8 o'clock, and then the Tuesday homework is Friday 8 o'clock. Okay, I think that's all for today. Okay, wait for a while. I stop recording and then I have to take attendance. Stop recording.